Hey guys, Alex here and welcome to another edition of Momentum Charting. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Please do me a quick favor, go down below, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. Doing both of those things will ensure that you get all my updates over the next couple weeks on AMC. Some very exciting things happening in the broad markets as well as AMC. You're not going to want to miss any of my updates, and the only way to ensure that is by subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for that. Let's dive in here to the chart of AMC. Some kind of interesting things today looks to me like are happening on AMC. So in the shortest term, I've got this 1 hour down sloping trend line. It appears that this has broken to the upside, and we obviously have a fairly large upside day here on AMC. So we are going to need to watch this carefully, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm looking for on the momentum chart. So this is our first hint of repair here on AMC, as we have now broken that downward sloping 1 hour trend line that I notated in the last video to the upside. Let's go over here quickly to the momentum chart. And you can see here I am on the 4 hour momentum chart. We have now broken out of this kind of nasty 4 hour downtrend of momentum that we had been in since late June. So we have broken to the outside, but guys, be careful. That does not necessarily mean that this can't break out and then come back down. So that is what we're going to have to watch for. Okay, so out of that 4 hour, this is a hint of repair on AMC, but we kind of still need to be careful on this. And I'm going to show you even more here what I'm looking for on the 1 hour and the 15 minute. So here on the 1 hour momentum chart, you can very clearly see that we have broken on this steepest decline of momentum on the 1 hour. We have now broken outside the bounds of this sloping downtrend of momentum, broken to the upside. But again, that doesn't mean that this momentum can't come here, because you've got a little bit of a lower low here, come back down, and we get a big sell-off either towards the end of the day today or tomorrow. So we're going to have to carefully watch that. And what I'm going to be watching for specifically is here on the 15-minute momentum chart, which is my most granular momentum that I look at. And so we've been having in place since middle of June the waning momentum from these highs up here around $63, $64, somewhere in there. We've been having just this vicious cycle of lower highs and lower lows. And finally, we were able to stop that exact thing happening here on July 19th, so yesterday, and then today got the follow through to the upside. So you can see this series of positive divergent bottoms that have been occurring. So we've got in place 1, 2, 3, broken out of this downward sloping trend line. 4, work back to the upside. So what I'm going to be looking at quite specifically in AMC to happen in order for this upside move to continue is for this 15-minute momentum to roll back to the downside, and then we get this explosion back to the upside higher, creating a fifth positive divergent bottom and continuing this powerful upside move on AMC. So that's what I'm going to be looking for, a potential hard reset of this move today that happened today. Maybe tomorrow, maybe in the next couple of days. You're going to have to carefully watch it. But if this were to continue, going to want to see breakout of these highs that were set today on momentum somewhere here, and most importantly, a positive divergent bottom in some capacity. Now that could come all the way down to these levels that happened on July 19th, and I still think that would be just fine, setting up for the next large move to the upside. But this is looking actually pretty good to me here, guys, so I'm expecting maybe towards the end of the day today some weakness, carry through maybe through tomorrow, and then check Wednesday, Thursday, kind of Friday. If we can if we can work down again on this momentum and set up another positive divergent bottom, getting AMC to explode back to the upside, that to me would allow this 1 hour momentum to carry up, continue carrying up nicely, and this 4 hour momentum, very important momentum, to get this rounded bottom and continue back to the upside instead of what could potentially happen, which is having it roll back down to the downside, which would flush out holders of AMC and create some more downside drama. So definitely not looking for that. Looking for the positive divergent bottom in AMC on the 15-minute. Sorry, this chart got a little bit messy here, but just got some important things that I needed to show. So that's the key here. I'm going to be watching for this to roll over and for momentum to potentially explode back to the upside and get another nice move to the upside in AMC towards the end of this week. Even if it's a scalp, I think it would set up for a nice opportunity. So that's what I'm looking at on AMC. Guys, do not miss any of my updates on AMC. I'm going to take you through this trade step by step, seeing what I'm seeing. Subscribe to the channel. You're not going to want to miss it. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Talk to everybody again soon. Bye for now.